My name is Shri. I'm from Chalapati Institute of Technology. I pursued my graduation in the stream of mechanical engineering at Chalapati Institute of Technology, which is in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Initially, I'm in 3-1 semester. One day, my sister approached me and she said that Career Labs has approached the RVR college, which is my sister is studying in RVR college. They have just presented a wonderful course structure, which is very beneficial to you. Then after 2 days, I have searched all about it, and the reviews that they have given to the Career Labs all are in an excellent way. And then after I have chosen the Career Labs. So in this way, Career Labs has started within my journey. Initially, through the diagnostic test, I have remembered that I didn't know any skills, nor aptitude skills, nor the designing skills, which are essential for the mechanical. And then after they started examining the communication skills of mine, and in that also I haven't performed it. So they have prepared a timetable. That means they have prepared a structure that in these hours you should learn the aptitude and communication skills, and you should be a bit interesting and in order to improve and have a career growth. So these results in the diagnostic test helped me in a wonderful way. Mentor call had proceeded in a wonderful way, and my mentor is Kritika Srinivasan ma'am. She is very great human being. Why? Because on the day itself, she noticed that I am very lack in all the skills. So she suggested many tips and skills to improve me. During the call, she have asked all the queries regarding me, and also she given some tips such as to in order to have a excellent career growth in mechanical, you should learn some software skills, and you should more concentrate on problem solving methods in the way ma'am said. So I have taken it in a positive approach, and also I have realized that we should learn this. Why? Because these are the future changing skills. And thanks for Kritika ma'am for a great mentorship. I have got 6 starter packs. One is robotics and mechatronics course, and the second is designing in SolidWorks course, and the third one is design in CATIA, and the fourth one is embedded automotive, and the fifth one is AutoCAD introduction. That means overall engineering drawing concepts, and the sixth one is IoT, Internet of Things. These are the 6 starter pack courses that are provided to me, and each starter pack course has had in I have learned many things from the starter pack courses. Each is related to different domains and different technologies, and these courses helped me to build my resume in a great way. Why? Because one placement I have got in the campus recruitment, and they have asked some questions related to my domain, and also in robotics, which is not an involved subject in my career curriculum, but I have answered it through the starter pack courses which I have learned. So these helped me in a stage very efficiently. I have chosen the Internet of Things career building track course in my advanced course. Why? Because the IoT is the future changing technology, and it should be learnt by every student. Why? Because nowadays the technology is completely automated, and also we should learn this technology. In the advanced course, first of all, I learnt many concepts and developed some real-time projects such as water monitoring system, home automation system, and also smart irrigation system, street lighting system. Yeah, these are the projects that I have designed and through this advanced course, and they are very helpful in my resume building. Why? Because there will be a mini projects title in the resume. So I have included all these my projects in it in order to build my resume. These will be helpful for the future also, maybe to change my domain also. In this way, advanced course helped me in my career growth. Completion of the advanced course, I went to a dilemma that when will I got be placed, when will be placed, when will be placed in that way. And one fine day, the Career Labs portal have initiated a new type panel, and its name is Kickstart Your Career. That means one of our mentor will conduct a webinar, and they will suggest the tips in order to improve our aptitude skills or to build our resume for a quick overview during the recruitment. So such topics will be discussed in the webinar. So the two of the mentors, Sai Kiran sir and Kritika ma'am, had initiated more of the webinars, and one of the webinar that I have got most inspired is Kickstart Your Career particular session. They have discussed the present trends, and also they have made a discussion with 3 of the passed out students from the career labs who got selected in MNC companies, and they have given such a wonderful suggestions to recruitment. And they helped me in a very great way to motivate myself in a daily basis. Support team in the career labs, they provided 24/7 assistance, and they will approach us within a minutes. They provide all the answers for our queries, and they have excellent patience. And I remember three members in the support system. One is Arpita ma'am, Neelam and Madhumita ma'am. These three members. In the Career Lab support system, we can ask our queries regarding the career and the working of our portal, and they also provide the technical assistance, so we can have any of our queries with them. They will approach in a positive way, and they have very patience, and I'm very much thankful initially to them. Why? Because even after 8 o'clock, some of the companies won't work, but these members will provide all of our answers with no irritation. So I'm very thankful for them. My suggestion to the upcoming graduates is to attain technical skills respected to the domains, and also have a great knowledge in the other domains too. Why? Because in the present coming days, the domains are becoming the cross domains. For example, mechanical is becoming the mechatronics. That means the combination of mechanical engineering and electronics engineering, mechatronics. So as a mechatronic engineer, he should learn the basics of mechanical and as well as electronics. And in the same way, the computer is integrated with mechanical systems and becoming the CAD softwares. So as a mechanical engineer, he should know about the computers, and also he should attain a great knowledge in the mechanical subjects. So my advice to juniors is to learn as much as skills as possible through these platforms such as career labs. In career labs, they provide many of course structures with a minimal cost which a common man can afford, and I have learned many skills through the career labs. And also not only technical skills, but also we should improve our soft skills too. Many of the platforms doesn't provide communication skills with aptitude reasoning, logical reasoning, quantitative, qualitative, verbal, but here all these are embedded within a single platform. So we should utilize this in these pandemic times, and in these pandemic times we are not go for an institute and learn all these things. So we should utilize these e-learning platforms so that we can build our resume. And for every graduate, the 3-2 semester is a right way, that means right time. Why? Because in a fourth year you can't learn anything. Why? Because you will be completely focused on the examinations simultaneously as well as the placement offers. But when it comes to third year, you will have some time. Meanwhile, there will be a 4 months of time between third year and fourth year. So in this time, we can attain some aptitude skills with communication skills and also technical skills. So my suggestion is to learn from the time itself. If you are in third year, you learn from third year itself. If you are in second year, you should learn from the second year itself. When you come to fourth year, you want to be concentrated in these particular skills. So utilize the time properly and utilize these e-learning platforms as well. I have got selected in L&T EduTech company at Chennai. At the beginning, Career Labs have sent me the notification regarding the placement in the L&T through Gmail, and there will be a test procedure to recruit in any company. In the same way, in this company, they conducted a test, and in the test, most of the questions that I have answered are from the mock papers that are provided by the Career Labs. That means I have written 4 to 5 mock papers in the Career Labs portal, appeared in the L&T test. So first, this mock paper helped me in a great way, and then after the interview process, and I have performed in an excellent way. And after I have got selected, it's very nice experience, and the assistance is very good from the Career Labs. The call letter, I have received the call letter within one day, so I'm thankful to Career Labs.